way to work. Excuse me. Sorry if that was really loud. We're on our way to work. We're also doing another audio test. Shocking. And I'm low on gas, so let's see how much gas I actually have. No, I got enough. It's a little chilly this morning, but gotta ride the bike in because I gotta drop it off at the dealer after work. It has another coolant leak. Shocking. It's a KTM lifestyle at this point, just to have leaky coolant. Always smell like coolant. It's not enough to make it dangerous, but when you have a no questions asked warranty, you bring it in anyway. So, but it's seeping now from the oil cooler, but it actually looks like it's seeping from the oil cooler itself. Like the oil cooler is cracked or weathered enough where it's coming through. So, bring it in. Hopefully it's a part that they can get. And hopefully they don't have my bike for a month. That would suck. And then at the same time, I got to talk to them about the 18,000 mile service, because I'm knocking on that door. I'm just about there, and I'm hoping that's not going to be too expensive. But knowing dealers, it probably is going to be pretty damn expensive. So. I'm assuming that's going to take a while to do too. It's probably not something that just takes a couple days. Hope there's not a shitload of traffic. I also hope this audio isn't that garbled or peaking or whatever. I'm not gonna lie, I'm getting annoyed and tired of just doing these goddamn audio tests. It doesn't help my bike is loud as piss, but it also doesn't help my mic is right next to my mouth. Titty bits. A little chilly out, to be honest. Sounds good. Well, I found the traffic. There must be an accident for all 3 lanes fucking backed up like this. Oh, and in other words, I was mowing the lawn this weekend, and something fucking bit me in the leg. Dog. This shit itches so bad, and it actually kind of hurts. I don't know what the fuck got me, if it was like a fucking spider or what, but like it's even kind of puffy. I mean, I'm not trying to be a pussy, but it almost kind of looks like a mosquito bite that you like fucking itched through, you know, and it like scabbed, but like I didn't do that. It just itches that bad and kind of hurts a little bit. It's not bad, but like, dude, it's fucking itchy, dude. So flying down the freeway in my work pants with them freaking flapping in the wind, happens to be right on that spot, and oh my god, that felt so good. I've been trying not to itch it because I don't want to rip it open. That'll be another basket of worms, but yeah, so buddy, you can't park there. Anti-wheelie mode was like, knock it off. Hey, oh, it's a turkey. I gobbled at his ass. Got him. Man, this thing really keeps you from doing a wheelie. It does it in second gear. Alright, we ready? Oh my god, it keeps the front tire completely on the ground. I don't ride in sport mode or street mode that often. I'm usually just strictly in track. I wonder if it'll keep a clutch up down. Pass it on that one. I don't feel like eating that guy's ladder on a clutch up. That'll be the time that I get one person to freaking brake check my ass.